Yep, we got another we got the Chevy Colorado 2005. You got an airbag lights on, so we're gonna try to find out what's causing the problem. Look like we got two code right there, guys, so we're gonna try to fix that problem. Look like you got a short to ground and then loop open, like no signal, no power, I guess. So this means could be a broken wire, so we're gonna try to see what's going on with that. All right, man. All right, let's find out. Let's see what this car right here. So let's see this wire. It's usually this is the problem right here, guys. So got the connector right there. Looks like somebody trying to fix it. Ooh, we got some broken wire. All right, we got that wire right there. 3 wires broken. So I'm gonna have to try to see how far we got this yellow. We got this. All right, we got the plug right there. All right, so that, and the yellow and black. So we're gonna try to fix it. Yep. All right, man, we got like 1, 2, 3. Look like that one's about to break also. See, this is about to break, but we're gonna fix that also. We're gonna extend the wire, and then we're gonna try to extend this 3 wire, pretty much 4 wire. Yep. So we need one of this. So got the old school status right here. It still work. Yep. Still work, man. And we got the heat shrink. Well, alright, we got it in there, guys. So we extended it. We got that extended. Yep. Should be alright now. We extended the wire, everything. Should be good. What up, man? How you doing? All right, man. We got it fixed. So we extended the wire, and we heat shrink the wire. We soldering it, make sure there's no corrosion will build up there. So we're just gonna try to put back the battery now and test it out after the repair. So hopefully we fix it, man. So we're about to find out. Wish me luck, man. Hopefully the airbag won't blow up on my face. So we're gonna try to clear the code, and then it should be fixed, you know. So because the wire is totally broken, you know, it's so obvious. So let's check it out. So I still gotta clear the code just to make sure there's no pending history in there, because sometimes we can come back on. See, look like we fixed the problem, guys. Blink, blink. Nope, that's it. Just stop. There it is. We got it, man.
Fix the problem.
The light stop blinking.
Fix the problem.
But we still gotta clear it. And we got it going, bro. So that's how we do it, guys. Yes, sir. That's how you fix it, man. Most likely on this type of vehicles, it's a common problem. So, especially on a Chevy Trailblazer, you know, in the back seat door, those doors, when you open it wide open, you usually stretch the wire. So if you got that code like that, you know where to go now. So that's how you do it, guys. You got those codes. That's how you fix it, man. Pretty easy to fix, guys. So hopefully you learned something on this video. If you like it or don't like it, you know, but if you like it, give me thumbs up, man, so I can continue more building this type of video like this. Yep. All right, guys, thanks for support. All right, man, rock and roll.